Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to add language on Iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to add phone language on your device. So how to add language and how to change language on Iqoo mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video, open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Iqoo mobile. Friends, click on Iqoo mobile, system setting, second last one system setting, click here. Friends, you can see system navigation, global search setting, language input, date and time, backup setting, reset option. So friends, we will talk about language and input setting. Click here. App language, friends, you want to change app language, you can change your app language from here. So friends, we'll click on phone language setting. Friends, click here plus icon, add a language. So by which language you want to add, you want to use guys select a language. Friends, you want to use your Marathi language. Friends, you want to use your Nepali language. Friends, you want to use Urdu language, and friends, you want to use Hindi language. So friends, there are many language. Which language you want to use on your device, you can add one by one. And guys, change your language. Which language friends you know you can read easily. So friends, I will use only Hindi and English language. So friends, I will change my phone language into Hindi. And friends, you can see Hindi language will set on my Iqoo mobile, and friends, I can use Hindi language on Iqoo mobile. System update, application, vibration setting, lock screen wallpaper setting, Bluetooth setting, network internet setting. So friends, you can see phone language with Hindi. And friends, you want to set your English language, again default language. So friends, click here phone setting, and friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, click here system settings, second last option, and friends, click here input setting, Bachai setting, again click here. And friends, you have English language, you don't have, so friends, click here plus icon, and you can add your English language. After adding English language, friends, press on English language and set into first. Friends, Hindi language will remove on your device, and you can use friends your English default language on your device. And friends, you want to remove this language setting, also friends, click here language. You want to remove this extra language, so you can remove, select three dot, remove option, and guys select which language friends you don't want to use, you can select and you can remove it. Click here, and guys this language will remove on your device. You want to use, again friends, you will have to select. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Your friends understood how to set up language on Iqoo mobile. So bye friends.